Hello guys, welcome to another video on WP Blogger YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to uninstall WordPress from cPanel. The last time we learned how to install WordPress through cPanel. Today's video, we are going to learn how to remove our WordPress installation from cPanel. The site we've been using for this tutorial is ketodietrecipes.top. We use our cPanel to install it, and we are going to use cPanel to remove it. Before I get started into today's video, I would like you to subscribe to the channel if you've already not done so. Click on the like button, give me the thumbs up. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment box below. And if you are looking for a dedicated WordPress hosting platform, I recommend to you Bluehost. Click on the link, it will bring you to this page. Just click on Get Started. It will bring you to these packages. Select any of these packages and get started with your WordPress blogging. If you want a stress-free WordPress hosting, I recommend to you Bluehost. Now let's get started into today's video. In today's demo, since Bluehost doesn't use the default cPanel, the popular cPanel we all know, I am going to use my Namecheap account. So I will log into my account here and we continue from there. So I'm inside my cPanel here, as you can see. So we are going to remove this WordPress site that we built through cPanel. We are also going to remove it. So scroll down where we have Softculous Apps Installer and look for WordPress and just click on it. So I've clicked on WordPress. It will bring me to Softculous dashboard here. Click on my apps and you'll see all the websites you have installed using Softculous. And now we are going to remove this one. So it's very easy. Just click on the remove button here. And yes, we want to remove all these stuff. So once you are okay, just go ahead and click on remove installation. So our WordPress installation has been removed. Let's go to return to overview and come back to the dashboard. It has been removed successfully, and I'll click on cPanel here. So now this is the site, this is the URL. Let's refresh and find out if it's still live or not. And as you can see, our installation has been removed. This is how to remove WordPress from cPanel. Let's also go into the admin dashboard, refresh, and find out 404 error not found. So this WordPress installation that we did, we have successfully removed it through cPanel. This is the easiest way on how to remove WordPress from cPanel. I hope you've enjoyed this video tutorial. Smash the like button, give me the thumbs up. If you have any doubts, any issues, any problems, leave them in the comment box below. I do well to respond to every comment on this channel. And also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and enable the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of my tutorials. Before I take leave of you, I want to remind you that I have created some WordPress resources for beginners. Check the description box below this video for these resources. They are meant to help you become an expert in WordPress blogging. So if you're a beginner, check those resources out. They will really help you immensely in your WordPress blogging journey. Until I come your way with another awesome tutorial, it's bye-bye from WP Blogger.